having the best time of my life. It's a party boat with all these fun people, taking to Margaritaville, taking to snorkeling, taking all around Jamaica. Yeah, man.
Doing the Island Vibes Caribbean cruise. We just finished snorkeling and we're about to go dock at Jimmy Buffett's famous Margaritaville.
Totally worth it. Come on Margaritaville, jump on the trampolines, go down the slide, have some drinks. Couldn't ask for a better time.
Oh, it was awesome. It was awesome.
These guys are a good crew, a lot of fun.
We went snorkeling, it was incredible. Now we're at Jimmy Buffett's and I was crazy enough to go down this slide. And you're literally going, I don't know, 1,000 miles an hour by the time you hit the water.
See y'all then.
Oh, we got halfway.
That was pretty! I would definitely go back. We're coming back Monday.
Sanders Montego Bay on the Red Dread. That's the destination for you guys. The party capital right here on the Red Dread. Get what you want, get what you didn't bargain for. Peace.